Hi, this is Team 27, and we've come up with a soccer website, and this is an integrated presentation that we're giving right now. So these are our team members. We are developing a soccer website, and yeah. So first things first, we've developed a use case diagram for our website, and this is how one of the scenario looks. So this is how a user. This is a very generic scenario wherein a user can log into the application, go to the registration page, and you can add as a new register as a new person, or log in as an existing user, and multiple things like that. So all of this is connected to a database where all of these details are stored, and uh, this is how. And as you can see, there are multiple users such as player, a referee, a staff, and coach. So this is one of the generic scenarios that our use case diagram shows. Uh, so this is basically a problem statement that we're creating a football website for players of all ages, and which includes creating a registration form for players, coaches, and managers, and then categorizing them into different age groups. The constraints include HTML. I think constraints that we have selected at least are HTML, Java Spring Boot, and PostgreSQL for database. And the actors or users in the application in the website include coaches, players, parents, referees, hosts, and other actors. So till now we've come up with our, as I've already shown, we've come up with our generic use case diagram, and then we've also developed a landing page for our soccer website. Along with the landing page, we've added much more pages for like the home page, login page, registration page, and about just like a help page. And we've developed UI for all of these pages. We've also developed a database, and already added a few important tables for the website. Yeah. So currently we're adding more pages and developing UI for them. So a few of them include the fixtures page, a leagues page, teams page, and the page that comes up after user logs in. We've also started to expand the database by adding more tables and adding more data into them. And we've started creating an interface between the backend code that we're developing and the database so that data can be easily retrieved and processed in the application. That's what we're doing currently, and moving on. The plan for the next sprint or the upcoming sprints will be to add many more functionalities. Like we have already started with a fixture page, so we're planning to add process the fixture related data in that page. Then we're also planning to add new roles and assign specific permissions and accesses according to their roles. After adding those new roles, we'll be modifying the existing pages, and according to the user logins, like we'll be showing relevant components to the specific users only. And we did face a few issues initially. We all the team members are from different backgrounds, so we had small problems in collaboration. But then now we're all good. We started exploring ourselves, and then the development in our writers increased in a very good way. Also, we were new to Tiger, so we had some issues with operating the Tiger board, but then things got clarified, and we're good with that as well. So this is the presentation that we've planned, and there'll be a small explanation of how our application looks. So Venkat would be doing that. You can see your screen, Venkat.
Hello everyone, this is Venkat. I'll be showing you the demo of our application. So this is how our demo actually works. Just let me share my screen real quick. Okay, so this is our code. So just I'll run this application right here. So it just starts up the server, the localhost server. Once the localhost server is ready, we'll just go on to the web page and open our. Okay, so yeah, here the localhost is ready. So we'll go to the localhost. 8080 is our server. We'll just click it. So this is our Soccer Hero homepage. So there are 7 different functionalities right here. The homepage, which is the index page, the default one, which is where the website lands on. So about me page here talks about the game to the people who don't know about the game. It gives you much more information of how soccer works and all. So this is the league page. This tells about what are the different leagues that you can do in the soccer website. So these are the different teams. For now, we have just set up a static team page right here. So by the next sprint, we would like to receive the data from the database, and we will just display the data from the database right here. So till then, we have just used a static photo for the teams. And here, the same case right here, we have used the static picture for the fixtures. We'll take the data and we'll update the games and all, and we'll just give a view of how the fixtures are going around. So let me go back to the home page. So this is the sign up page where players register for the Soccer Hero. So here they register, and this login page is basically not for the users, but for people like coaches, referees, who have the higher authorities to look into confidential data, change data, modify data. So I'll just show you how this authentication goes on. Let me just take John as an example. John123.com. Password John1234. Okay. So John logs in into here. So after John logs into this, John gets his info. John Paul registration number, age 45, weight, height, everything is details which he gave during his registration. So this is the basic gist of our website for now, and we are working on our beautification of the website. So that's all. This is how our website works. So thank you guys.